Yes, of course, it was a very busy day for me. I had a flight 7 o'clock this morning. I done medical treatment, and after that I have a physical exam, and after that, step by step, I must have a break after that, lunch. I am striker number 9, but I wanna play with. I really want to play with the team, my team players. I wanna assist, I wanna score, I wanna enjoy in.
You wanna be part of the group.
Yes, part of the group. I wanna enjoy in teams winning, and that is one kind of good club in Serbia, small club because we have 2 big clubs in Serbia. Vozovac is third, fourth club in Serbia, very good, very familiar, good club for a young player to make a step, go on.
The next step in
next step in career. Because this is a good step for me. FC Mechelen have big ambitions in this year. I want to be part of a group, part of this club. In general, I heard a lot of good things and nice words for FC Mechelen. This club won one title in Winner Euro Cup, I think, in the past. Very good club in Jupiler League. They have a very good part of everything, and I think FC Mechelen deserve to be in playoff one day. I heard FC Mechelen have very good supporters, very good fans, make a load and give the wind in the back in their teams to be
supported team,
to be. I wanna be part of this club, part of this team, and make a lot of winners, and enjoying assisting, scores, and. Yes, I stay in Belgium the next 2 days, and after that go back to Serbia to pick up my stuff and everything, and after that come back here.